Tristan da Cunha. It's the remotest island, remotest inhabited island on Earth, and I was lucky enough to travel there this year. Unfortunately, I was also unlucky in that I arrived the same time that that a ship wrecked on the island and spilled oil into the water. And it was devastating. It was a big oil spill that affected a lot of northern rockhopper penguins, which are already endangered. And so I realized when I landed on this island and saw this that there was no one else here. Nobody in the world knew about this. There was no communication. There was no way to transmit images. This is an island that's completely disconnected. It's off the grid. And I happened to land there. So the first thing I did was take as many pictures of this as I could. I created a YouTube video. I published it immediately from the ship. And then I took more pictures and more video, and I tweeted it. I put it out on Twitter, and immediately got picked up by the blogosphere. Now, that word is a little outdated, but blogs are important because they're organic. And from this blog, you know, we at National Geographic, we have an incredible news team. They took my footage, they took my pictures, they published it, they got it out there in the real press, and then this went to the New York Times. But this kind of organic bubbling up of news, of being there, being in the middle of the ocean and capturing these things, this is something that all of you can do, and all of you are doing it all the time. When I say be there, I mean be wherever it is that you are. It could be your own backyard. A lot of you live in Washington, D.C., where things are happening all the time. And believe it or not, you're part of this system where you are reporting.